To fill in your resume, simply select the text you would like to replace and add your info. To change the color, select the text and go to Format, then Text and click on Text Color. To change line color, select the line and select the desired color. If your info is already written on another document, you can copy and paste it from there. When you do it like this, sometimes pages may carry the previous style, resulting in differences in the design. To correct this, select a piece of text that has the desired design, click on Format and click on Copy Style. Select the text that has the wrong styling and go to Format, click on Paste Style,